Oh hey, it's me, Manny, with Komando. Do you want to see what Komando DIY we're working on next? Alright, check it out. How to enter your home safely after being out in this pandemic. How much do you wash your hands now than before the pandemic? We're willing to bet quite a bit. Hand washing is essential to killing germs, but you'll need to do more than that to stay safe once you start leaving your house more often. States are starting to lift quarantine orders, and in this Komando DIY, we have a way to help keep the virus out. Inspired by NASA Astronaut Scott Kelly.
Hi, I'm NASA Astronaut Scott Kelly.
If your mission is to avoid the coronavirus, here are some simple steps you can take to make sure it's a success. Creating an airlock at home. Let's pretend your front door and entryway are the airlock. When you come in from the space outside your home, you need to step into the airlock and disinfect your gear before going further indoors. Take your shoes off before opening your front door and leave them outside. Shoes can easily carry bacteria and viruses that can live for days. Removing your gear. Next, it's time to remove all the things you brought outside with you. Thankfully, you don't have a heavy spacesuit to remove, but your clothes and accessories might still have contaminants on them. Keep a bowl and a package of disinfectant wipes or paper towels and 70% isopropyl alcohol in a convenient space near your entryway airlock. A mixture of 1 part bleach and 5 parts water will always do the trick. Once you've taken off your shoes and stepped inside, disinfect your phone, keys, wallet, and anything else you took on your trip. Then place them in the bowl. Next, remove your clothes and place them directly into the washing machine to remove any trace amounts of the virus. When you do laundry, wear gloves if you have them and use the highest possible heat setting for the water. If you have a sanitization setting on your washing machine, use it. When you're done, wipe down the laundry basket with your disinfectant of choice. Time to hose down. Now you're ready to clean yourself. First things first, grab a disinfecting wipe from your entryway and bring it with you to the bathroom. Wash your hands with warm, soapy water for 20 seconds and disinfect the knob of the sink when you're finished. If you had to open the door to get in, wipe down the doorknob too. Now grab a piece of tissue or toilet paper and blow your nose. This ensures any viral particles trapped in your nose are expelled from your body before they have a chance to go deeper. Finally, start the hot water and step into a nice, relaxing shower. Use soap or body wash to clean any areas of your body that were exposed while you were outdoors. And wash your face for at least 20 seconds as well. Washing your hair may help you feel extra clean, but you don't necessarily have to. Just make sure to wash your bangs or sections of hair that frequently touch your face. Now that you're fully decontaminated, put on some cozy clothes and get comfortable. Take some time for yourself and try to unplug from the news. Less stress in your life is vital to maintain a healthy immune system. And with a new way to stay clean, you'll have more peace of mind every time you leave the airlock. Houston, mission accomplished. For more coronavirus tips, visit komando.com/coronavirus.
Thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.